Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your NVIDIA graphics card driver. Super simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, right click on your Windows desktop and click on NVIDIA Control Panel. I already have mine open here. Right on the main screen, you'll see what graphics card you're currently using. You might have a GTX card, an RTX card, whatever it is, it'll show right here. In my case, I'm using a GTX 1070 Ti, which is part of the 10 series. You'll also see what type of driver you currently have, either a game-ready driver or a studio driver. Game-ready is geared toward gaming performance, while studio is more for creators and professionals. Now, let's update the driver. Open your browser and head over to the NVIDIA website. Click on the Drivers tab at the top. From here, you'll enter your graphics card information. Choose your product type, in my case GeForce, then the series and model. So I'll choose GTX 10 series and select 1070 Ti. You can also choose between Game Ready driver and Studio driver depending on your needs. Once that's set, hit search. It'll show you the latest available driver version. As you can see, version 496.76 is newer than what I have, so I'm going to hit download. Once it downloads, go ahead and open the file. You can find it in your downloads folder. Double click it to launch the installer. Just follow the prompts. It'll guide you through the installation process. You can choose the features you want to install, then click Continue and let the installer do its thing. And that's it. Your NVIDIA graphics driver will now be up to date. Hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.